Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to do a couple of things. I am going to announce the winner of the Fat Shark goggle giveaway that I announced in my 100,000 subscriber video, and I'm also going to explain the origins of the painless pill. Now, the painless pill is one of those things that came about through lots of various happenstances, just like the name, and I've realized that I didn't answer that, and a lot of people in the comments had kind of said, well, hang on a minute, you've answered everything apart from what about the pill? So I'm going to talk about the pill first, and then we'll do the draw. For those of you that don't care about the pill and just want to find out whether or not you've won the goggles, I'll put a time code here at the bottom of the screen so you can just jump to that bit. So the painless pill, let me talk about that first. So it's come around because of three things. First of all is the name. Painless and a pill kind of all went together, and as we talked about in the last video, the painless name wasn't something that I would have chosen if I'd have set out to create a radio control channel like lots of people do these days. It was just happened to be the name of the channel that I put videos up there helping people out in the forums. So a pill seemed to make sense, but it actually came from two other places as well. For those of you that played the original Halos back on the Xbox, you will know that you will able to customize the Spartan armor. So on the Master Chief character that you were typically playing, you could change the color of the armor, you can add extra bits and pieces, and you can also pop a logo on there as well. And one of those logos was a pill. Now, it wasn't exactly the same color as my Painless 360 pill, that kind of blue and red setup, but it was a pill. And as I was called Painless 360, I thought it was funny to be running around shooting people with a painless pill on my shoulders. The other place it comes from is it's actually from a film called Akira. Now, I was very, very excited when Ready Player One came out. I'm not going to talk too much about what I thought of the video because it was okay, but it was only okay. But as you can see, I'm a fan of Akira. There's lots of rubbish on my shelves behind me. It's a classic man cave. That's the bike from Canada, or Canada, and that is the character. If you've never seen Akira and you like anime, my goddaughter, for example, is somebody who loves anime and had never heard of Akira, and Akira is part of the reason that started it all. But if you look on his back, hopefully the camera's picking that up, there's the pill. So that is where the pill came from. First of all, it is the whole thing about painless, and also the fact it was one of the options for the Spartan armor mods in Halo, and it is part of one of my favorite films of all time, which is Akira. Okay, enough of that. Let's get round to actually doing the draw. So what I've done is, as usual, loads and loads of comments. Again, massive thank you to everyone that left a comment on this. It was fantastic to see everyone diving on and all the responses. And what I'm going to do is load the bits and pieces into a random comment picker, and I'm going to click on load, and the winner is AD Parish. AD Parish, congratulations, you have won the FPV goggles. So what you need to do is send me an email at lee@painless360.com, and we can sort that out and get those goggles out to you. Commiserations for all of you that didn't win, but there will be other giveaways going through the next couple of months. I always end up with lots of little bits here as well. And if you're interested in getting involved in more giveaways, then there is 2 or 3 giveaways every month for the Patreon community. So if you want to have more chance of winning stuff for the sake of a buck, you can get involved in that stuff as well. So thank you everybody for your help and support, and stay tuned for upcoming series. We've got the mini Drac stuff to do. I'm going to do more on the endurance build. I think I've got my hands on a very new 10-inch frame. We're going to put 10-inch props on that. I've got a mini Vector in that we're going to put in front of a mini Drac. I've got the new Bixler. There's some RC car stuff coming as well. So there's loads of stuff coming. So if there's anything in particular you want to see on the channel, do pop a comment down below. And as always, happy flying. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.